Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go back to Windows 10 from Windows 11 or go from Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10. So maybe your PC or laptop, like I did, maybe it like keeps crashing some stuff. It's slower than like when you go to Windows 11. Maybe it's slower. Maybe it's like laggy, crashes a lot. So you want to go back to Windows 10. This is the solution. Or maybe you have a Windows 7 and it's of course slow, and you want to go to back. You want to go to Windows 10, and this video is the solution for you. So I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10, and yeah, let's get into it. So of course the first thing, you're gonna go to your browser, okay. Um, Load up, okay, and you're gonna type Windows 10 download, okay. Download Windows 10 disk image, okay, this link, and you're gonna find this, and you're gonna press download tool now, but I already have it, so it's this one, okay. It's, this one. You're gonna open it, right click, just if you want to press enter you can. I'm just gonna do this. So until it opens, I just want to tell you something. Please join my Discord server, link in the description. Okay, so you're gonna getting a few things ready. Okay, so of course I'm not gonna wait for this through the whole video, but you're gonna wait until it gets you like the license like agreement thing. You're gonna press accept and then install and just download stuff, and like getting a few things ready, downloading Windows 10 Media, and you're gonna press next and next and wait for the progress to get until 100%, until all this finishes, and you're gonna get an install button. You're gonna press install, and when you press install, you're gonna get the blue screen, which like says installing Windows 10, and you're gonna wait. Like you can just leave it on while you're sleeping at night until the next day. That's what I did when I had Windows 11. It kept crashing and stuff, so I went back to Windows 10. So I just waited the whole day until next morning, and it downloaded Windows 10, and I'm back to Windows 10, as you can see. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please go down below, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment down below more video ideas you want to see. And as I said, please join my Discord server, link in the description. And yeah, hope this helps, and yeah, peace.